If you want to learn how to calculate the percentage increase in Excel, then this video is for you. In this short video, I'll show you 2 practical examples so you can learn how to calculate percentage increase in Excel and then apply it to your spreadsheets. To begin, notice in this first example that I have a table with a current value of some invoices, and here next to it the adjustment percentage of width of them for the next month. So here I basically want to figure out what the next invoice will be based on the percentage increase it will go through. For this scenario, we can use the following formula: equals current invoice plus, open parentheses, the current invoice multiplied by the adjustment percentage. To finish, I close the parentheses and press enter. So notice that this formula will return the updated invoice value. To apply the formula to the other cells, I use the fill handle. In another scenario, I have the value of the current invoice and I already have the value of the next invoice with the adjustment. But now I want to know what the percentage increase will be. In this case, the formula should be equals, open parentheses, adjusted value minus the old value, close parentheses, and divide by the old value. Press enter and apply the formula to the other cells. And finally, format the cells to the percentage format. And then note that this formula will be able to know what the percentage increase was for each invoice. I hope I helped, and if you like this content, I'm sure you also liked the next video that I left there in the cards. See you next time!